What's up everyone? If your Steam downloads are slowing down your entire internet connection, you are in the right place. Today I will show you how to simple way to limit download speed on Steam, and it's only take a few clicks. Okay, so you can see at the top this is the download speed of my internet while I was downloading a game on Steam. So this is around 30 Mbps. And now, what if we lower the limit to only 20 Mbps? So here you need to click the settings icon in the right corner. Next, in the menu on the left, make sure the download section is selected. And in this download section, you will see the option to turn on the download speed limit. Then at the bottom, there will be a column to enter the limit in kilobyte per second. So for example, if we plan to limit it to only 20 Mbps, then here in the kilobyte per second, you can enter 20,000 kilobyte per second. After that, just close the setting and you can pay attention to the download speed. It will automatically decrease slowly and the limit is 20 Mbps. So the internet speed will not exceed 20 Mbps.